Oh, there we go. There we go. There's one. I can guess you right now. This reel is the worst reel I've ever had out of my entire rod collection. Because every time when I want to make an actual good cast, it like backlashes all the time. And I'll show you right now. Let's do it. When I just flick it with my own hand, it works fine. Like this.
There you go. Backlash. Just a little error. Just a little error. Okay, you have to just not decide for backlash. I'm going to use it for sure.
Took a trip to Cabela's because I'm planning on catching catfish and some bass tomorrow. So I bought the Sudden Impact catfish bait. I don't never used this before, but I'm gonna try it. So I bought a mouse. I've never used that bait before, yeah, I will put on the chesty tomorrow. So we'll see you guys in the chesties on. I got a bunch of stuff loaded here. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm just putting a bunch of stuff in now. Just about to get ready to go to my hands. Just getting all ready. And I'm gonna try using the mouse for the first time.
Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead.
And that's what I need right now. There we go, there we go, there's one. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a pike here, boy, here guys. Holy crap, so we got a pike here. So guys, this is a pike here.
That's big, that's cool, Michael.
Oh. So first fish of the day is a pike. First one on camera. Oh! Alright, easy. Easy, Tiger, easy. Alright, we're gonna let you go, but I gotta get a picture with you. Oh, now he's all sandy now. Alright, the hook's out. Alrighty. Alright, I'll let you go. Hey, buddy. Guys, so I'm out. It's early morning. I fished for maybe 2 hours. I fished around 5. It's now like 7:10, 7:20 in the morning. I'm not gonna throw the chesty on because there's no bites out right now. So I'll throw it on when I catch it. All right, guys. So I'm back out here again. Like I said before, I wasn't catching bass, but we got a rod over here that's for catfish. I bought this, like I said in the last video, maybe 2 days ago. I got the Sudden Impact, and then I put the bait on the catfish rod. We already got 2 fish on already, so let's go for a third. Hey, be careful! The line fish. There's a line out in the water. Be careful! Oh, we got a fish on already. Oh, this might be a bigger one. Please don't get off. Please don't get off. Please tell me. Oh yeah, you're still on. Oh my goodness! Get out of there. Another catfish on, guys. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh my, oh, the reel's popping out of the thing. Oh yeah, he's on there. It's a bigger one too. Oh yeah, that is a bigger one. Someone get the net. Oh, this is a bigger one. Holy Jesus.
Where's the net? Oh my God. Where's the net, Michael?
Oh, this is a bigger one. Oh, no, no, no!
Oh, how big was it?
It was huge.
Oh my God.
How big was it, Michael? It had to have been like that big.
Yeah.
How big?
I think it was like that big.
Oh my God. Keep the net here.
At least I got it on video.
So this wasn't strong enough.
No, the line just snapped.
Yeah, so the line was too weak for the size of
Yeah,
the fish.
because it was bending the whole freaking rock.
The line.
I just lost a gigantic one.